What is CareLinQ? Participant Referral and Tracking System. We'll start with some history. In the beginning, the Care Pathways Group was formed with MCI network members from various organizations. At that time, the goal was to identify ways to implement a set of process steps that partners would take within their own organizations to create their particular organizational pathway. Through this strategy, the Care Pathways Group would provide a venue for building relationships with organizations who can do what my organization can't do. With these newly formed relationships, a warm handoff could be facilitated. Given perpetual change, the group would also provide a venue to stay connected with others and how they operate. And lastly, a venue for learning from others to discuss how barriers have been addressed and pathways improved. To support the goal of Care Pathways, MCI developed the Service and Referral Form to assist the network partners in assessing client needs. The paper form broke services down by specific domains and was used when clients came in to request services. Through some testing, two distinct processes emerged. The first would have a service provider identify the needs of the client while using the Service and Referral Form. If the service provider can provide what is needed themselves, they provide the service to the client, and lastly, follow up with the client. The second process would also have the service provider identify the needs of the client with the S&R form. If a referral is needed, explain the MCI purpose and process of being referred out for services, make a referral to an outside organization, and lastly, follow up with the client. During this process, clients were also asked about child development concerns, social isolation, depression, family support, and financial assistance in order to offer help or referrals for these needs. All referrals and services provided were being done using the paper form, and there was some significant success. But were MCI's larger goals being met? This question is what prompted the idea of developing a web-based platform that would meet a larger system goal. Through some small testing and adapting, MCI partners hope to develop a streamlined process that would ensure client follow-up, include a vast array of agencies county-wide, and have the system seamlessly be a part of a care pathways for families. In 2008, LA County takes the lead to be the first creator and tester of a shared referral process on behalf of the MCI network. The ultimate goal was to improve outcomes for clients through coordinated supports, strengthen partnerships, and also eliminate redundant efforts and realize cost savings. 211 LA came on board to design and house the system that is now CareLinQ. With this partnership, the system would allow users to tap into the vast 211 database of service providers. In January of 2015, the MCI network began a small pilot of the web-based version of CareLinQ with 8 MCI partner organizations who signed an MOU. They worked together to test out and refine the system we have today. Currently, the active partners continue to meet regularly. 211 LA continues to improve the system and design, and since the launch of the pilot phase, there have been approximately 1,100 clients seen, resulting in over 2,200 referrals for services. If you are interested in getting additional information, feel free to contact Luz Wilkerson at the contact information listed here.
Created using Powtoon.